This is City Boys in the Woods. We're back here with another video. Our bathroom, our off-grid house. We got the drywall hanged up, cement board on, some of the mud on. We're still working on the mud. So today, we're working on a bathroom here in our off-grid cabin. A little bit bigger than any regular bathrooms in your house. The measurement from this wall to this wall is around 8.5 feet. And from here to here, to this wall right here, behind this is the closet. And from this wall to this wall, it's around 4 to 5 feet. This is your regular bathroom. This is how the measurements of your builder's home, basically what most people have in their house. We took it here and we put the shower base all the way in the corner right here. So now we gain a little more space. This is our bathroom right here. We're trying to finish this house by the summer, hopefully. So we got 3 to 4 months. So the bathroom is the first thing we're finishing up right now. What we're doing here is actually using big tiles. You don't see them a lot for some reason, but they're a little more pricey, but I like them. So the tile we're using here is 4 feet long, 2 feet wide. So we'll have full tile right here. And then we're going 8 feet high. And inside of here, a mosaic or something. I'm not sure yet. On the floor, we're actually using the D-truck shooter on top of the OSB right now, on top of our subfloor. And we're using 24 by 12. Now we got some of the mud done. We're still working on it. Goal for today is to finish the mud here, at least 1 coat of mud. Oh shit, what's up? Wanna learn something? You need drywall tape. It needs this little tool. It's like a spool. Put your tape in it, your roll tape. It has a hanger. Put it in there. So now I put my mud on the joint and you need to make it wet, really wet. Or else you bubble up. Take your tape, kind of put it just like that on the joint. And you cut. So you take this, bring it down, bring it down, down. In reality, you're really supposed to do the ceiling first and then you butt this to it. But now you put your first tape, the tape on, right? You put your mud, you put your tape, and now you squeeze the tape out. You don't want to squeeze it too much. You squeeze the tape so you don't have build-up on it, which makes it harder to finish. The secret is to finish in 3 coats, not 10 coats. That's how you make your money and then you save your time. So now, I'll take a little bit of mud, put it back, and I'll go down right here. This is the first coat, so you're not really trying to hide the tape. That's how you do it. Anyways, I'll show you when it's dry. I'll show you when it's dry tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of this. I'm out.